So when you have logged in into your account, you go back to your application to be able to continue from where you stopped. Yeah, you can see it's in progress and then you move in. Yeah, so where we left it off was at the idea and experience section. That's where we left it up. And so at this point, we need to be able to continue with our description of our business. Yeah, so I have written my description. I'll just pick it up and copy it and come back and drop it there. And in trying to describe your business, it's actually important to give a snapshot of what this business is all about. So I have an agricultural business idea, and I'm saying that my company, Afrimicro Honey Limited, is developing an integrated farm that would serve as a training facility to help farmers and would-be farmers struggling with profitability to create meaningful and profitable agricultural ventures that integrates animal husbandry, fish farming and vegetable farming using a closed loop approach to agriculture where the waste products from one section of the farm would serve as a feed, fertilizer and pesticides for the other sections to cut costs but also improve yield, thereby increase profitability. So basically the problem I'm trying to solve with this business idea is profitability from agricultural venture. Yeah, so a lot of farmers are running businesses, they are farming business, but it's not profitable. So that's what I want to be able to address. But in trying to make it, trying to make that possible, this is not a non-profit idea, so I have to add a few other things that will make the idea, that will be able to bring profit into the business. And that's why as part of this business, there is a training facility that will be on the farm. So the farm is an integrated farm. It will have different sections, and then there will be opportunity for people to come for training and all of that. And now the question is, which United Nations Sustainable Development Goal does this business address? So there are options here. So basically, this is a business that has to do with agriculture. So we want to end hunger. We want to end poverty as well. Yeah. And then this business will also address the issue that has to do with responsible consumption and production, because in here we want to be able to manage waste, so we also want to choose this. Now you have the opportunity of choosing only 3 out of all the UN development goals, which are 17 in number. Yeah, so sustainable development goals, so you have to choose your top most 3, and that's what I've just done. So while you're filling on form, you need to consider that. Then the question now I have to be able to address is this: does your business address green economy and climate change? Oh, sure, definitely, because here this is a business that want to also do waste conversion. So definitely we are not producing greenhouse emissions per se that will affect or that will contribute to climate change. So my answer here is yes, it addresses green economy. So if yes, give a brief description of how your business addresses green economy and climate change. So basically, these are things you need to think through as you fill the form. So for me, I just go back to my business description. It's very easy. I'll just pick it up from there, because I'm saying that I'm using a closed loop system where the waste from one section of the farm will be channeled to become inputs for other sections of the farm. So I'll just pick it up there and use it as my reason. Remember that, yeah, that the farm would use a closed loop system, yeah, to agriculture, where the waste products from one section of the farm would serve as feed and fertilizer and pesticides for the other sections. So we try to utilize our own waste so that we don't add to the issues of climate change and all of that. And basically, even the emissions that will come from this will also become, for example, the methane gas from the animal waste will be used to be able to generate electricity, and this is beautiful. So I will just add it there. The methane gas emissions from the animal waste would be converted to to power, will be converted and be used to power cooking, will be converted to cooking fuel. So that's it. That works in this instance. So what is the business name if available? The business name, I've already registered this business name, and I want to encourage you, if you have a business name in mind, please just go ahead and register it, because you're going to need it. So mine is Afrimicro Honey Limited. It's already a registered business, and in which industry? So because I have already filled this earlier on, so it shows up here as agriculture, agribusiness, farming, and etc. So it's already here. And in which subsector is your business? So I am in the subsector. Well, it's actually an integrated farm. If I choose this, it won't do justice. If I choose this, it won't do justice. So I'm going to leave it here as agritech. Sure. And in which country is your business? Is Nigeria, definitely. So in which state is your business located? I am in the South region in Rivers State. In which city is your business located? Well, my business is not gonna be in the city. It's gonna be in but the nearest city here is just Port Harcourt. Okay, that's the nearest city. That's Port Harcourt. But the business is going to be away from the city. So what is the address? Websites? Well, I've not created a website for this at the moment, so I'm not going to put any website. So address of the business is let me write the village where the farm is. Let me just use the LGA. Makes it easier. Okay, so I have this here as well, so I'm gonna use this here. So let me put the village here. Village. Yep, that's it. What stage is your business idea in? Is in, I can say, so you have the option of choosing idea stage, infancy, growth, maturity, and each of these choices have implications. So for me, because we've actually passed the idea stage, we have started some parts of this farm, but we want to be able to scale up, which is why we're applying for this fund. So you need to think about where you are. You need to think about the implication of your choices. You need to think about where you're going, and then you'll be able. Is it registered? Yes, it is registered. If your business is registered, please provide your company registration number. Sure, why not? I've got that. I'll be able to include that after now, but let's quickly run through this what we're doing here, so that we can be able to get this going. Now, how many employees do you have? Well, we can say that at the moment, sure, we can just use 3, because some people already work with us on this business, but we want to be able to increase it and grow it from there. Do you have any business partner? Yes, I have a business partner. This business is not a one-man business, but if you don't have, you say no. Do you have any business partners consent to be part of it? Oh yeah, sure. You have a business partners consent to be part of this program, yeah. So upload signed business partner consent letter. That will be fine. I'm gonna do that after now. Is business in rural area? Yes, it is. That is where it is found, in the rural area. So this is how I have been able to fill the idea and experience section. So you notice that the most important thing here is actually the description of your business. Description of your business here, about your idea. And what we have done here is to show that the business is solving a problem. There is a problem, profitability for farmers, yeah. And how are we going to solve that problem? What is our unique solution? We have also stated our unique solution. We're going to use an integrated farm that will also serve as a training facility. And that is what is unique about this. We're also citing this business right in the heart of where the farmers we are addressing this challenge is located. So these are all of the things that you need to think about when you are talking about your business idea. This section is the key in this area. So we will leave it at this point, so that in the next video we're going to continue on the other sections of this application, so that we can wrap up this series on the application section, and I'll wait for the next stage of the program. So I wish you the best. My name is Charles Mahiwe. I'm your business coach, and on Neokecci Multi Concepts, we try to help you with everything that has to do with your business to be able to get it up and running. And on this series, we are tackling what many of you are finding difficult, which is being able to apply and successfully get a grant. And that's what we're doing. So we're using a real life business to be able to demonstrate this, and hopefully we'll also be able to get the grant. So I wish you all the best. Remember to like and subscribe on this channel. Subscribe so that you'll be the first to know when we drop new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.